wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Sky Aviation HD video, and today we are back with another very short video, just like one of the last ones in P3D version 4. This is my arrival into Cardiff on VATSIM from Amsterdam in a 747. Yes, you heard it, KLM 747. I was bored, so I decided why not, we might as well take the 747 into Cardiff from Amsterdam in a KLM livery, because I know the Boeing, or the BAMC, has got a certificate for heavy aircraft maintenance. Boeing, I believe, like only Boeing aircraft. So I thought, screw it, I'll go and do that on VATSIM. Got some ATC, which is pretty good, and also someone from my Discord server that also recorded it last time, Gamer Moggy, landed first before me, so he caught me landing. Don't pay attention to the speed brakes coming up before landing, because that's the model matching. It just does that on that sim. It's really awkward. And the landing in my sim was very smooth. However, in his it looked like I slammed it, but oh well. And the audio in the background, as it's recorded from P3D, and he's parked his 747 up, you can hear the clicking of the engines or something. I don't know what it is. You'll be able to hear it. But there you go. That is it real quick. Let me know if you want more of these videos, because, you know, they're pretty cool, and, you know, this is me landing, and it's just from a different perspective, which is awesome, and I like to see that. So Gamer Moggy, thank you for the footage. Go and check out, more than likely, his info in the description. I got his YouTube channel and his Twitter, I believe, and I highly recommend you go and check them out, show him some love, and apart from that, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the video, take care, see you next time, bye bye.